Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert, and welcome to 2025. All right, now just to get the week started, the updates will be streaming from next week. But what I want to do is just tune up the analysis on the site, get you a little bit focused on where the action is, right? Now, at the moment, it looks all good, right? And what I'm talking about is Donald Trump is in power. We've got a strong dollar policy, and we are seeing things moving around, right? So the lot of question marks over China. Okay, the big slowdown in the Chinese economy, and this is the sort of little bit of difference you'll find in a lot of the new services. Like oil rises as investors return from holidays, China recovery. But there's another story that China slowdown, it isn't going to recover, and we'll see how that plays out. But the key theme for us is if Trump can keep the dollar moving, then we are in for really good trading conditions, right, through 2025. Now, at the moment, there hasn't been a huge amount of movement across the board, but what we are seeing is a little bit of a consistency with the dollar itself, right? Dollar index, dollar Swiss, sort of less with the dollar yen, but that's where sort of things are. Dollar CAD is sort of caught between a rock and a hard place. Oil is rallying. Okay, now it's $72. That's slowing down the topside move in dollar CAD, so a little bit confusing. Nothing out of the ordinary. You've got euro, sterling, Aussie, Kiwi. These four pairs are trending lower quite nicely. And we do have a few good setups here for you to focus on sort of straight away. Now, there's no rush to get into the markets, right? I'll come into the ISM manufacturing numbers themselves. But if you look across the majors, right, have a look across the short term and long term, I should say, you'll find that the dollar block, they're all going down, and the dollar pairs outside dollar CAD are all going up, right? So we know the direction. It's a matter of getting the timing right, right? And that's what we're going to be focusing on as we go through 2025. Get these tables here automated so you can actually keep in check with what's going on, alerts around when the opportunities are there as well. Now, on the crosses, probably less activity, but we do have a couple of key opportunities. Aussie CAD looks prime right at the moment for a sell opportunity. So something that, if you are having a look at the markets, go in, check out Aussie CAD, and you'll find some action there. Now, just looking at where the week starts, right now, I found with Christmas on Wednesday, a completely disrupted market, more so than usual. If Christmas comes out on a Friday or the weekend, you get the days off all at once. But we had stop starts all over the place, so the markets haven't really connected back up yet. It will be next week before all the banks, all the hedge funds start to sort of get their staff back. So this week, ISM manufacturing numbers, okay, worth a look if you are at the markets. 48.4 is the forecast, and the range 46.9 to 49. Now, strong numbers are our friend here, right? The dollar is trending, so we want the numbers to come out with the trend. It makes it for a very easy trade. So to me, a number at 49 or above for the ISM manufacturing numbers is a good trading opportunity for us, and it will keep the dollar index, dollar yen, and dollar Swiss all going up. And the dollar block, well, they are struggling at the moment against the strong dollar. The Fed have already signaled that they are going to be on hold for an extended period of time. And we are seeing that across the board on the economic calendar, or more importantly, on the interest rate probabilities, right? So that's where things are, right? It's all about interest rate differentials. US dollar at this stage has a stronger emphasis on the interest rates. Like at the moment, the next meeting, 88%, no change, right? Where most other central banks are cutting, okay, the RBA being the odd one out, but the rest of them are cutting. So this is why the dollar is trending higher at the moment. So not a lot to get excited about as far as, massive CPI numbers coming out, but we have trending markets. If you're looking short term, long term, you can piece it together, or once again, just come back to the main site here, click on the majors, and we will sort of guide you through where we see the direction. Now, the key to this is just check out when we've updated this, right? Until it gets automated, we will be updating this manually, but updating it with the update time so you can actually see exactly what's going on. And use this as a reference guide, as I said before, right? If you're looking at euro, sterling, Aussie, Kiwi, and you're not sure what's going on, check this. We'll tell you exactly what's going on. These pairs are trending gorgeously, right? So that's something to be sort of quite excited about as we go into next week. All right, so that's where we are. Now, just at the start of next week, I had a good friend pass away, so I'll be tied up Monday, Tuesday, a bit of Wednesday, but we will be firing. I've got, hopefully, we'll have the Primetime Pro rolled out for everyone, and we can really kick things into gear. So, really, this is just a tune up, get you focused on the opportunities, check out the site. And my job this year is really getting everyone firing, right? If you're not trading, why aren't you trading? I know things are busy. Everyone's got work commitments, family commitments, these sorts of things. But there's no reason to not be trading when if you're using our Primetime Pro methodology or the tool itself, there's lots of trading opportunities. And all you need to do is identify direction and the game is on. All right, guys, I want to wish you all the best for 2025. All the systems are coming back online. We've had a server change on the funding program. So there's a few things disconnected, but they will be connected over the next day and we'll get everyone firing away. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.